That's all deep pitch for the morning. Found a little spot in the woods here, look here. And then just over here, we've got a great sea view. I'll take you over. Look at that, guys. And we sort of came over the top of those mountains at the back, down into Deer, and then we worked our way across the side of this mountainside here last night to get here. Yeah, we sat here last night and had our dinner. Bought us a beer, and over here. Had a good night. So I'm not sure where we're heading today yet. We're going to go into a little village called Sola, which is probably an hour that way. Somewhere over there. And then we'll get the map out, see where the next stop is. It's probably about a 5-hour hike from the next town or village to our next destination. But there's another big ascent today, somewhere along the line, no doubt. He's doing his selfies, look. Notice anything different? The sun's out! No! Well, yeah. Woke up, sun was up already. We're heading down to Playa de Sola. It's like the beach, basically. I'm going to try and get down there and get breakfast. Let's have a look at this. Well, we've finally hit Port de Sola. I'm going to get some breakfast now at the beach. Proper Mallorca holiday. Might even go and have a dip. Leaving Sola now. Just been down to the beach, had a swim, had a all-you-can-eat buffet breakfast. Right down the bottom at the ocean, sea level. Sun's still out. I've just got to find the start of the trail again. This church is amazing, look at this. We're just leaving Sola now. We're going to head to Binabissa, down to Binarex, follow it all the way around, and then there's got Kruber Lake there. We're going to see what time we get there. Might be that we camp there and catch up some time tomorrow, or just spend some time there and then carry on. We've left Sola now, heading for the little place. We're heading for the Kruber Lake, which is somewhere, turn that round for you, over the top of that mountain somewhere. And if you look through the gap, that's where we came from somehow. I'm probably halfway up now. It's warm, but there is a breeze. Very good. I'll have to get in that lake when we get there. I don't know if that view got that, but that's what it is. I'm still climbing. The sun's gone behind some clouds, which is a little blessing. Sitting at approximately 1,000 meters now, so it must be really close to the top. Yeah, I see daylight, look. Go on, mate. Oh, she wants feeding. Hello. Hello. Oh wow. Oh wow, wowee. Oh dear. There's a God after all. Cooper Reservoir. There's some sort of observatory yard up there in the distance. I don't know if you can see by the stick. It looks like a big golf ball. It's bloody cold up here though. Yeah, thoughts of going up the high route and looking down. I'm glad we did it now because it's too bloody cold. cold. Even colder there, wasn't it? And it's really windy. So we're going to keep walking for another hour or so. See where we are. And then see if there's anywhere flat we can camp. It's good though. I think you'll enjoy it. If you wanna, I think you'll enjoy it. If any of you guys fancy it. It ain't a stroll in the park, mind. That was a tough climb up there. Pretty much the same as climbing Ben Nevis. It's over 1,000 metres up. This is over 3,000 feet. Pretty high. Yeah, so we've come from Sola that way. And you can go two ways here. There's Pazlis, the refuges Tossals Verdes, which is that way, which is a bit more like a Viriati. There's chains and things to pull you up over that ridge. Or there's this way which we're going. Mainly because it's cold. And we're sort of heading down a bit now rather than going back up. And it's cold enough back there. Well, yeah, plodding on. Time's 4:30. We're going to go for another couple of hours, I think, and see where we are. 2 more stages left after this one, and they're both 6-hour stages apparently. So, and we're all over. Okay. Well, I'll catch you up a bit farther along the trail.
That's our ticket right there.
Look out for a camp spot, guys.
Look at that, perfect.
There's one down there. See the stones where people have had a fire. Let's go check it out. Yep.
We've got a fire down here, can't we? Just keep one, have a tea.
There we go, home for the night. And the trail's just up there. So, catch up when I get pitched up.